Hello everyone, and welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving deep into what many consider the best floor safe on the market, the SentrySafe waterproof and fireproof digital safe. This safe stands out for its robust construction and security features. It's all classified to withstand fires for up to 1 hour at 1,700 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring your valuables remain protected during emergencies. Moreover, it's ETL verified for water resistance, offering 24 hours of protection in water up to 8 inches deep. The safe includes a programmable digital combination lock, supplemented by a secondary locking key for added security. It features 4 live locking bolts and a pry-resistant hinge bar to prevent unauthorized access. The locking drawer and bolt-down hardware further enhance security. Measuring 17.8 by 16.3 by 19.3 inches externally, with an interior capacity of 1.23 cubic feet. This safe offers ample space for storing documents, valuables, DVDs, and USBs. It weighs 86.69 pounds and requires 14.75 inches of clearance to fully open. For those looking to optimize their safe's functionality, SentrySafe offers optional accessories like a fire and water-resistant bag for documents and shelf inserts for better organization. In conclusion, the SentrySafe waterproof and fireproof digital safe stands tall as a reliable choice for safeguarding your most important possessions. Its combination of fire resistance, water protection, and sturdy build make it a top contender in the market. Thank you for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful reviews. Stay tuned for our next in-depth analysis. Until next time, stay safe and secure.